custom GTO Wagon, Hot Wheels City. It's the Chief's car from the fire department. Ho-ho! I'm digging it in yellow. Hey cats and kittens, it's a toy car case event at Johnny Roman's Supper Club. It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Here's the Hot Wheels City Fire Department in yellow. Yellow. It's the Chief's car. Sometimes it drives red, sometimes yellow. 66 custom GTO station wagon with La Puppy in the back. Nice. That is one sweet little puppy back there hanging out, taking in the fresh air. Oh. Again, this one isn't as scratched up as some of the other ones, and this one has regular tires on it, not the rear riders. Custom 66 GTO Wagon Hot Wheels trademark GM. Oh, you imagine having one of these with a power horse engine in it, a crate motor? Oh boy! That would be getting some great groceries, I'm telling ya! I'm telling ya! I know you're a toy car case guy out there! It is 3:16 on Old Johnny Clock. Let's see what pulled into our parking lot. Hit that subscribe button and you won't miss out. Don't you wish you had that? This is the place to be!